can't do this, man.
What?
I can't write this film.
Why not?
I can't get what's in here to go there.
Yeah, I know the feeling. You just gotta really put your head into it, you know? Writing a film can be hard, really hard. And if you're like Billy, you might be struggling with getting all of your ideas into a written document and moving on with your life. Today we're going to be simplifying this beginning stage so that you can get started in writing your movie. Writing can be broken down in 3 sections: ideas, story, and revisions. Ideas are always going to be there. If you have even an ounce of imagination, you have made up some sort of story in your lifetime. But the problem can be when you have so many ideas with multiple different endings, beginnings, and middle points and plot twists that they all just get mixed up in your head and jumbled into a big ball of mental spaghetti. Get all of that out of your head. Get all those ideas onto paper, even if it doesn't make any sense.
I'm thinking we start in a multiverse with 20 different unicorns that come through portals. Superman comes in and he just says, "No, you can't do that because this is against the laws of time and space." And then Batman comes in and he's like, "But wait, these ponies need help." And you know, it's all this, and at the end, everyone wakes up and it's just a dream. Yeah, you lost me at the multiversal unicorns.
Once all of those ideas are out of your head, you can now pick and pull and mix and match to form it into a story. Now is where you break out that official document where your scripting begins. I made another video that goes in depth on how to script and the formatting of all that, so make sure to check that out. This is just the basics, but in that video I went really deep and technical into it, so be sure to check that out. Building out the story means you're gonna have to push past the writer's block to formulate it into a movie, and really try to visualize the film as you're writing it down. Now don't expect every writing session to be 6 hours long of Oscar-winning dialogue or story plots. Some days you just can't make out more than 2 words, and that's okay. Just take a break and come back to it at another time.
How long have you been staring at that? I haven't blinked in 72 hours. Have you at least written anything? It was a dark and stormy night. And that's it.
At this point, it's usually the time where you look back at your script and you say, "I hate every single word in this." And that's okay. It brings us to our final step, revisions. You have a few options in this scenario. You can read over your script a million times and pick out the things that just don't fit, or you can send it to some friends, if they dare to read it, and ask them for some constructive criticism. This honestly is the best route to go, since other people that are reading it will have fresh eyes on the content and be able to give better and unbiased opinions.
Okay, finally finished the script. Here. Well, it's good.
Yeah?
Except it's really not. What? Yeah, this isn't good at all. Sorry. Man.
So there you have it. Write down your ideas, form it into a story, and then revise it until you have a perfectly crafted work of art. And once all that is done, you're ready to move on to the next step, which happens to be more pre-production. But that's for another video. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the filmmaking tips, and don't forget to keep it simple and stay creative.